IntelliJ IDEA developed by JetBrains. IntelliJ IDEA is a IDE, integrated development environment, written in IDE, JavaScript, Kotlin, Groovy and JVM based languages. How to download, install, explain. Browser open. Search box lo IntelliJ IDEA download. Enter key press. Official link first section lo display jetbrains.com IDEA download. Download IntelliJ IDEA. Supporting OS available for Windows, Mac OS and Linux. First link, mouse left click. Accept all click. IntelliJ IDEA. Official redirectory web page. Complete display. Default detected and select first one Windows. Other OS users Mac OS click and Linux click. Present Windows setup. First one Windows click. The IDE for professional development in Java and Kotlin section of mouse scroll down. We are committed to giving back to your wonderful community, which is why IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition is completely free to use. The IDE for Java and Kotlin emphasizes default detected Windows. Download.exe. Download button click. Thank you for downloading IntelliJ IDEA. Download section lo DLC latest version 2025.1.exe setup file downloading process start. File size 803 MB. Wait and hear downloading process completing. Process completed. Next step, installation setup process. Browser minimize. Desktop file explorer document open. Downloads folder lo IntelliJ IDEA exe setup file display. Mouse right click. First option open click. IDLC exe setup window lo first button ex clicks. Download folder minimize. Welcome to IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition setup. First button next click. Choose install location. Default destination folder location display. Local disk C program files. Newly created folder JetBrains. Installation space requirement. Space required 3.1 GB. Second button next click. Installation options. Configure your IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition installation section lo create desktop shortcut necessary. Left side box tick mark set. Update context menu left side tick mark set. Create associations. Related tools individual display. First one Java tick mark set. Gradle tick mark set. Groovy box left side tick mark set. And Kotlin tick mark set. Kotlin S tick mark set and J porn tick mark set. Auto creation in path created in environment variables. Left side box tick mark set. Second button next click. Choose start menu folder. Default folder name display JetBrains. Second button install click. Installing. Please wait while IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition being installed. Files extracting. Installation process start. Desktop shortcut IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition display. 100% installation process completing. Wait and hear few minutes. Completing IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition setup. Default second option set. First reboot now select. Mouse left clicks in circle and second button finish click. Run the program. IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition desktop shortcut select. Mouse double click. JetBrains Community Edition terms Important, read carefully. Application related complete license agreement info display. Left side box lo tick mark set. I confirm that I have read and accept the terms of this user agreement. Second button continue click. First button don't send click. Important settings. Default IDE Visual Studio Code detected. Skip import. Second button click. IntelliJ IDEA complete interface display. Workspace. Welcome to IntelliJ IDEA. 3 icons display. First one new project. Second one open. Third one cone respiratory. Present Java related project file creating. New project click. New project window lo project related name enter. Default untitled. Delete key press. File name Chari Tech. Created file location. Second section low display. In case change the location, right side folder icon click. Convenient location select. Desktop select. Second button new folder click. Folder name Java projects. Enter key press. Bottom side first button select folder click. Create a git respiratory. Necessary box tick mark set. Unnecessary skip this option. Next installed Java JDK latest version. Default detected in box. Right side down arrow click. Installed version display. In case cannot install Java JDK, second option select. Already install the Java JDK, first option select. Bottom side first one create click. Maximize button click. Left side created file display. IDEA, SRC and main. Class code JavaScript display. System dot out dot printf. Remove this text. Chari Tech Info. Control S. Save this file. Top section lo run main Java. Green color button click. Build the project. Wait and here. Main window lo output Chari Tech Info.